guys, welcome back to the channel codesurfer, and I hope the last video would be helpful for you guys. So let's just quickly recall what we did in the last video. So these are the topics that we did in the last video, like what is programming, what is binary language, what it is for, why it is, what is compiler, what is the use of the compiler, and flow chart. Sorry, my bad. And a flowchart to write a program, like how we should write a program in order to get a proper output. And so in this video we are going to see the installation of the software that we are going to use to write the programs. Like there are many softwares, but we are going to use here developer C++. Usually people use VS Code. And here in this video we are also going to have a look of the basic programs and understand some inbuilt functions with some examples. So let's just quickly start it without wasting our time. So let's just quickly open a browser. Here I'm gonna use Google Chrome and type in developer C++ channel. Just click on the first link and hit on the download button, and it will get started. So once the download is been completed, we are gonna install the software by just clicking on it, and probably everyone knows what to do. Just click yes, and boom, it will get started. Just simply click OK and I agree, next, install, and that's it. So I'm not gonna do it because I already have it installed in my PC. So let's just quickly open that thing. Here we go. And let's just write our first code. So we'll try to understand each and every line of the code in this today. What does that line of code means? So the first line, the first thing that will always come in this programming will be the header file. So header file, then there will be the body in here. So what does the header file means here? So header files are the files which will have the backend code, I will say. So we'll be using some inbuilt functions like if, else, like this is the basic function printf, scanf. We'll get to know what these functions are meant for. And so yeah, these are some basic functions, inbuilt functions, I would say. So the code of these things is stored in the header file, so we just need to insert the header file to use these functions. If we'll not use the header files, these functions are not going to work in our program. So there will be a lot and lots of error in it, and the body will be your own program which you will write here, I mean your logic. So let's quickly have a look on the program. So we'll insert the header files. That will be hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. So as I said, these files are having the backend code, so these are necessary. These things, this is to print your functions, and there will be the int main, because somewhere in your in your program something will be written. So this is the user and we'll always return 0 here. We'll get to know about these things in further videos, so let's not worry about this now. So the basic function and the most used function is printf, which will just simply print your entered value or sentence in these brackets. So let's just write hello world here, and the semicolon is necessary after every line which is written in this curly brackets, because it indicates that this line of code has been ended here. So we'll simply run this thing here. For that we'll need to save it, so let's Control S, and we already have one file here. We'll save it, hello one. Let's save it and go execute. We'll do compile and run. So here you can see that hello world is being printed on our console. So let's quickly have a look on some other functions, that is scanf, because printf will just simply print the values or whatever the string you will enter in between. But what if you want the user to enter their own value? So let's quickly have a look on it. We'll edit this function here. We'll say enter a value of your choice, and we'll declare a value here a. So this integer is known as the data type that we will call here, because a, that is a variable which will store only integers in it. You can't write any string in it. If you try to write string, it will throw you an error like something kind of the data type is no valid or like that. So this int is meant for integer, and let's go scanf, and there will be here percentage %d for the integers. And my bad, this ampersand a will not be here, it will be in scanf, because this ampersand a is the address of the value that you will enter. So I'll show you with the help of diagram. It might be a bit confusing, but let's just simply print the value first. Print f value you entered was percentage %d, comma a, and with some colon will close it, and there will be double inverted commas down here. So let's just run this and see what is the output. So a was not declared in this code. There will be no equals to here, sorry, my bad. And so enter value of your choice. I'll write 12, and let's just go enter, and value you entered was 12. Now let's have a look on some more inbuilt functions that we call if and else, that we had the example in the last video of the flowchart. Let me just quickly get rid of this thing, and here is. So we will simply just check if someone is eligible to vote or not. So let's just take a variable age, because the age would be simply a number, and let's say printf enter your age, scanf, there will be percentage d, comma, ampersand age. Now, if the minimum age that we know to which people is eligible for voting is 18 years, as we know. So if the age entered is less than 18, then print not eligible for voting, or else simply print you can vote. And let's ahead. So the age is the variable where we have asked the user to enter his or her age, and here we'll get the age, and the age will be then checked here. If the age is less than 18, then we know that you can't vote, you're not eligible to vote. And if the age is more than 18, then yeah, you can vote. So let's just run this program and see how it goes. So I'm entering my age 15, not eligible for voting. Yep. Now let's do it again, and let's see, I'm writing 50. Yep, you can vote. So this is how the if and else statement work. So if this condition goes right, then this statement will be get printed, or else this will. It is a simple thing. There is a lot more to go in this step. So we'll have a look in the next video some more inbuilt functions like the loop switch statement. Switch statement that I'm talking about is a bit similar to if and else. Yep, we'll have a look on it. So till next time, just let me know in the comment section what topic you want to learn in the next upcoming videos. So till that time, see you guys later, and do subscribe the channel to get some more informative videos like this. Take care. See you in the next video, guys.